A dataset is an important element to start analytics. Let's begin now. First, let's inform our buddy ChatGPT to generate a sample dataset regarding sales in a supermarket. It takes a few seconds to display all 20 data. Let's move quickly to it shows all 20 data. Wow! We have done a great job working as a team with our best buddy ChatGPT. Let's move on to the next step, which is importing the data file and saving it as an Excel CSV file. First, let's copy and paste the result from our best buddy ChatGPT and save to sampledata.txt. Then we load from sampledata.txt and save into sampledata.csv. Let's ask our best buddy ChatGPT how to load data into Python. Let's ask him how we load data with pandas frame in Python code for CSV. First, let's copy the code provided by ChatGPT. Then, we can modify the path inside the statement pd read_csv to point to the file we allocated, which is sampledata.csv. Finally, we can run the code. The result of reading the CSV file will be shown on the console. Wow! We finally made it! Let's start with our quiz on using the JSON file provided, data.json, below and loading it into a Python dictionary. To confirm your answer, you can check the answer in the PowerPoint after you're done. I'm pretty sure you can do it. Hi, welcome back. Let's continue on study Python with our buddy ChatGPT. Let's discuss about data structures today. Data structure is a way of organizing and storing data in a computer so that it can be used efficiently. It's like organizing your clothes in your closet so that it's easy to find what you need. Today we will only discuss on lists, tuples, dictionaries. Let's start with list. A list is a collection of ordered and mutable elements, enclosed within square brackets. Elements in a list can be added, removed, or changed. Lists are useful when dealing with a collection of items that need to be modified, ordered, or iterated over. Sampledata.csv is a dataset of store sales. We will use sampledata.csv as a dataset to demonstrate examples of working with data structures such as lists, tuples, and dictionaries. Let's start with our code session. First, we import the CSV and pandas libraries. These libraries will help us to read and perform list functions. Then, we create an empty list named supermarket to hold the data. Next, we open the CSV file and read in the data. This portion of the code will read each row from the CSV file until the end. Let's start by listing all the products on our sample data CSV file. We open a data frame to read our CSV file. Then, we list and print all the products. Let's check the console for the output. Here are the results of our product list. As seen on the result list, there were 20 products contained in the list. Let's check the source CSV file to verify. The results in the list are the same as those in the CSV file. Let's move on to printing out our first row from our list. As you can see in the code, row 0 is the first row. In programming, counting often starts from 0 instead of 1 because it aligns with how computer memory addresses work. Here are the first 2 rows of our list. Next, we will add a new record. We will use the append statement to add a new record to our list. Let's check the last list to see the new record. We will now add a new record to a specific row. First, let's check the current record on row 3. Then, we will add the new record exactly to row 3 using the insert statement with an index of 2. The console results before and after are shown below. Finally, we will use the pop statement to remove the record that was added just now and check the results on row 3 again. Hi, I hope you still on track. Let's continue with tuple. A tuple is a collection of ordered elements but enclosed within parentheses. Unlike a list, a tuple is immutable, meaning its elements cannot be modified once it is created. Tuples are useful when dealing with collections of elements that should not be modified. We come on last data structure on dictionary. A dictionary, on the other hand, is a collection of unordered key-value pairs enclosed within curly braces. Each key-value pair is separated by a colon, and each pair is separated by a comma. Dictionaries are useful when dealing with data that can be easily looked up based on a specific key. Let's look into a code sample. We will read the sample data, CSV file again. Then, we will create a dictionary of the first row and read the data inside it. We will create a dictionary value key for the first row containing date, store location, product, quantity, price per unit, total sale amount. Let's check each record on the first row in the console. Afterward, we will modify the existing value on row 1 for the product column to durian. Let's check each record on the first row in the console again after we modify the value. Hi there, welcome back. In this topic, we will learn about data cleaning and data validation techniques. There are 3 ways to handle this: dropping duplicates, handling missing values, and validating data ranges. To start, let's read our sample data, CSV file from our designated path. Next, we will add a record that already exists by Python query. We can check the output on our console, where you'll see the original data and the new record we added. Now, let's remove the duplicate record using the drop_duplicate statement. We can check the results again, which should display the original data without the duplicate record. Let's continue with handling missing values. We will use a modified sample data, CSV file named output2 CSV. We will read the file and then apply the fillna statement to fill up empty records with. The console output will display the results before and after filling up the empty records. Wow, we're almost there. Let's discuss the last topic, validating data ranges. Validating data ranges is a way to ensure that data falls within the expected ranges. This can be done using conditional statements in Python. For this test case, we will load only the records where the price per unit is greater than or equal to 1.0 from sampledata.csv. First, we will read sampledata.csv. Then, we will filter the data based on the condition that the price per unit is greater than or equal to 1.0. For this portion of the code, its function is to export the result of the price per unit greater than 1.0 data to another CSV file. This is a powerful function because in some scenarios, we only need a portion of data to perform our analysis. Let's look at the output before and after applying the filter in console. Hi guys. I hope you all are doing well in this topic. Let's have a quiz. Quiz 1. Please export filtered records which have a store location containing only store A from the data file sample data CSV to store A CSV. Quiz 2. Export missing columns and replace them with missing value from output2 CSV to output missing CSV. You can check the answers in the PowerPoint on the next slide after you are done.